Hey Sophy-yas, Madam Sophie here again to do another video. This time I'm going to be doing a natural hair care routine video. In this video, you'll see what I do with my hair after I'm done washing it. Today was a wash day for me, and I really wanted to share with you guys what I do with my hair after I am done washing it in the shower. After I'm done conditioning and shampooing my hair, I want you guys to see what I do with it. I did a video showing you guys how I make my own hair oil mix, but I really wanted to show you guys a video on how I actually use that hair oil mix in my hair. So this is what this video is going to be about. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I will be having the names of the products throughout the video. When I apply to my hair, you will see the names of the products throughout the video. I'm also going to leave the names of the products in the description section of this video. So if you are interested in purchasing any of these products, please take a look at the description section to see or to get more information on that. So without further ado, let us jump right into the tutorial. But before I leave, if you're new to the Madam Sophie channel, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And after you're done subscribing, hit that bell that is right next to that subscribe button to be part of the Sophia squad. And you're going to be part of the Sophia squad because you are a sophisticated lady. My regular viewers, thank you so much for tuning in this time around. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video, and I'm hoping that you guys love this tutorial. So let's jump right into the tutorial. So as you guys could probably remember, if you watched my hair oil mix tutorial, you did see that I was explaining what I do with the oil, how I use my oil, the hair products I use in my hair and stuff of that sort. So I just wanted to do a follow-up video showing you guys how I actually use the oil, how I actually use the products that I introduced to you guys in the video, and what I actually do or how I use these products on my hair. So in this video, I used freshly washed hair. Now to wash my hair, I know I did talk about using the Garnier Fructis, the whole blends honey treasures formula to shampoo my hair, and the Hask brand to condition my hair. I know I did say that that's what I normally use in my hair, but since I went about 2 to 3 weeks without washing my hair, I went over 2 weeks without washing my hair, and there was lots of buildup in my hair, and I really didn't think that using the Garnier whole blends would really work the way I wanted to. So what I did was I used my Paul Mitchell tea tree shampoo. I'm going to be leaving a picture of it, and I also followed that with the Paul Mitchell lavender mint conditioner. So these were the two products I use in my hair for shampooing and conditioning. These two products work very well if you're the type of person who is really into essential oils, and if you really like the tea tree scent, and if you really like feeling that minty sensation on your scalp. I would recommend the Paul Mitchell tea tree line because I think it is a really good product to use on natural hair. So definitely, if you're into tea tree stuff, and if you don't mind the tea tree smell, because it does smell of tea tree, like you really know that this is a tea tree shampoo because the tea tree scent is there. It is there. Okay, so that's what I use on my hair for shampooing and conditioning. Was actually the first product I applied on my hair. So I applied this product on my hair first, and after I was done applying that product on my hair, I went in with the sealing cream. After I was done with the sealing cream, if I needed to kind of moisturize my hair, I did went on and I also used the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Restorative Spray. So I use this spray on my hair just to kind of make it a little more moisturized since I really dried my hair. And after I was done with that, you will see I went in with my oil. So I used my oil. I did pour some in my hand, rub my hand to get it past it on my hair, and I also did a few drops of oil in my scalp area and massage that oil in my hair after I was done with manipulating that oil on the top of my hair. Now, when it came to styling my hair, as you could have or probably saw in the video, first product I used on the scalp of my hair was the Virgin Hair Fertilizer. This was the product I used, and as you guys know, this product really helps with hair growth. But like I told you guys, I placed an order for this product on Amazon, which was where I purchased it from initially, and I realized that there is a change in the formula. I find that the formula that this company is using right now is not as concentrated as it used to be before. But since I already bought the product, I'm not going to have it there and not use it. I mean, I paid for it, I bought it, so I may as well use it. So I decided to use that on my scalp. So I applied it on my scalp after I was done separating my hair. And after I was done separating my hair, I went on and I applied my Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Coconut Curling Cream. So I applied this coconut curling cream on my actual hair, and towards the end of my hair, just to seal in that moisture, I went ahead and I applied my Blue Magic Super Grow. I applied my Blue Magic Super Short Grow hair conditioner. Well, it's a grease, so that's what I really applied on the ends of my hair. And after I was done doing that, that's when I started braiding my hair. So this is what the braids look like. Okay, this is what the braids look like. Now when I turn behind, if my hair separations don't look good, please do not laugh at me. I don't have eyes at the back of my head. I don't really care for the separation. But yeah, so this is what my hair looks like after I'm done styling it. I hope that you guys love this tutorial. It was always something I wanted to do on my channel, where I show you guys how I use the hair oil mix, how I style my hair, how I care for my hair, what I do with my hair after I'm done washing it. I always wanted to do something like that on my channel, and I am definitely happy that I got this opportunity to do that. So as you guys know, before I head out, this is how I'm gonna wear my hair. I'm gonna wear my hair out like this for probably 2 to 3 days, and when this style starts to look all stale, that's when I jump into wearing my wig. So that is how I kind of manage my hair after I am done styling it and combing it into this way. So this is what I do after I am done. After this style is done doing its thing, this is what I basically do to my hair. But anyway, that is going to be it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. If you're new to the Madame Sophie channel, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you like, share, comment, and subscribe on your way out. I'm really hoping that you guys loved this tutorial, this video. If you are a naturalista, let me know what you do to your hair after you're done styling and combing and doing all that kind of stuff. Let me know what do you do with your hair in the comment section of this video. If you're a naturalista, and if you wear wigs just like I do, let me know what is different from my routine from your routine in the comment section. Alright, so that is going to be it for today, honeys. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. Don't forget to be you. And don't forget to be Sophie. Bye, honeys.